Hey viewers, welcome to Design 911. I am your host, Ross Doolin, designer, amateur chef, and opera singer. This week's question comes from Myra in Redondo Beach. Hi Ross, just accepted an offer for a remote position. Any tips for setting up a home office in a very small space? For an added challenge, the room is currently my home gym. Thanks! First, let me congratulate you on your new position. Since I'm not 100% familiar with Myra's home office / gym space, I'm going to use my personal home office as an example of the steps to take to transform a small space into a professional working environment. Step 1. Select a desk that fits the space, offers proper storage, and gives you enough tabletop surface. I often see super large desks in a small space, and it just immediately feels cramped. Also, desks without drawers, pointless. You need to be able to hide stuff in order to make the small space feel free of clutter. Step 2. Find a desk chair that is comfortable yet matches stylistically to your desk. Both my personal desk and desk chair have metal accents. Step 3. Choose a filing cabinet that fits the style of your desk and also offers additional tabletop space for your necessary work accessories, like your printer, papers, reference books. Step 4. Select a shelving mechanism that ties your desk chair, and filing cabinet all together. In my office, the material that links all three pieces is metal. Step 5. Accessorize in an accent color that highlights a detail from your furniture selections. Since my filing cabinet has brushed gold detailing, I decided to purchase gold desk accessories. Making these connections allows the small space to feel more calm to the eye, thus free of chaos. Step 6. Set the mood for the entire space by adding plants, a great scented candle, and art into the workspace. If you are open to a step 7, paint the entire space a neutral color. Small spaces are best in super light tones. As you can see, I went with white to keep the entire area bright. Also, steer clear of heavy drapes or super extreme patterns. If you need some pop of color, integrate that into the environment with art or even through the area rug. If the area rug is filled with color, you can enjoy it without it being a visual distraction, especially during meetings. When it comes to integrating a gym into the same environment, it's all about creating a defined space between the two areas. You can see that I was able to do this in my personal home office since this entire time we have also been in my main bedroom. The key is to set your computer and camera up so anytime you're on a work video meeting, no one can tell you utilize the space for more than your office. So, if you have a gym in the same area, place all of the gym equipment in a corner space on the same wall your computer is set. Also, by utilizing an area rug, you can define your workspace separate from the gym. That way, you create visual barriers and keep them both restricted to their designated zones. Overall, anytime you are working with a small space, you need to really purge whatever is unnecessary. This can be really hard, I know, but it will translate into a more designed space. Hope this helped, Myra. If you need a little bit more specific direction, I'm always free for house calls. Please subscribe to my channel to receive updates on new episodes of Design 911. Please submit any design questions through DM on Instagram, add to the comments below, or better yet, post a video with your question and tag me in it. As always, thanks for watching.